Hey everybody, just wanted to make a real quick video on the HP Office Pro 8600. I can't remember the exact verbiage of the issue that I was coming across. I'll put it in the description of the video. So I researched a couple videos because my company was throwing this out. I needed a scanner at the house. And this thing was in the recycle bin because it had this error on it. So I brought it home and I looked at a bunch of YouTube videos, and it talked about going in here and cleaning the printer head. And I tried all of those things because the only thing I want to use this for is as a scanner. So anyways, I tried all of those videos cleaning different things, and it didn't work. And I got to looking at this thing in order to take the print head out. Let's pull this thing out. This whole thing just kind of lifts up and comes out. So it talked about cleaning all these things right here, and that really did not resolve my issue. That might work for some people's issues. What I ended up doing is I seen this ribbon cable went to the circuit board right here, and all I did was I applied a lot of pressure right here and just kind of pushed this thing down and then reseated it, and that ended up being the solution for my issue. So let me see if I can get this thing back in. Flip this guy back up. No, so I've got a couple different issues that pop up, but that was the solution. And if I had both hands free, then I might be able to. Oh wait, that was it. So hope this helps. If the cleaning of that printer cartridge head does not work, try this and see if that ribbon cable has come apart or away from the rest of the circuit board there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.